How to get glue off of clothes. You're in the middle of a project, everything's going great, until glue ends up on your favorite shirt. Panic sets in. Is the fabric ruined forever? You try to wipe it, but it only gets worse. Sound familiar? Here's the good news, you can get glue off clothes, and you don't need to throw them away. Today, we'll show you exactly how to remove different types of glue from fabric, step by step. No fluff. No expensive products. Just clear, effective methods using what works. From white school glue to super glue, this video covers how to handle it all, so you can save your clothes without the stress. Let's jump straight into how to get glue off your clothes, for good. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to removing water-based or hot glue and removing super glue. Now let's get started. Method 1. Removing water-based or hot glue. Things you'll need. 1. Stiff bristled brush, a blunt spoon, or a flat-bladed knife. 2. Bucket. 3. Liquid laundry detergent. 4. Clotheslines, clothes horse, or dryer. Number 1. Check the care label of the clothing to ensure that it's safe to wash. The care label is usually found on the inside seam of the clothing. Read it carefully to make sure that it is machine washable and is safe to soak. Some fabrics such as silk usually require dry cleaning. Always follow the instructions on the care label to make sure that you don't damage the fabric. Number 2. Allow the glue to dry completely. Water-based glue is white when it's wet. Wait until the glue on the clothing turns clear, as this indicates that it is fully dry. Be very careful if you are working with hot glue. It's especially important to let this dry first so that you don't burn yourself. Number 3. Scrape off as much dried glue as possible. Use a stiff bristled brush or something blunt like the back of a spoon to remove the glue. This will remove the top layer of the glue. It is important that you wait until the glue is completely dry to begin scraping it off, as otherwise this will cause it to spread. You can also use a flat-bladed knife to scrape the glue off. Number 4. Soak the clothing in cold water overnight. Fill up a bucket or the laundry sink with cold water. Fully submerge the clothing into the water, and leave it there until the next day. Soaking the clothing in cold water will help to soften the substance, making it easier to remove afterward. Always use cold water to soak the clothing in. Warm water may set the glue further, which will make it more difficult to remove. Number 5. Apply a drop of liquid laundry detergent to the remaining glue or stain. Remove the clothing from the bucket or sink, and place the liquid laundry detergent straight onto the same spot as the glue. Gently massage the liquid laundry detergent into the stain. Check the label of the laundry detergent to ensure that it is right for the type of fabric that you are. Lightly massaging the liquid laundry detergent into the stain will help it to reach into the fabric and to work on the stain. Number 6. Wash the clothing in the washing machine on a warm setting. Place the clothing into the washing machine. Set the temperature to around 30 degrees Celsius 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and start the cycle. Choose the washing cycle that you normally use to wash the clothing. Don't use a hot temperature as this can make the glue stain worse. Number 7. Dry the clothing when the glue has been removed. Use your normal drying method to dry the clothing, depending on what sort of fabric it is. Usually you can either hang up the clothing to air dry, or use a dryer. Check the care label if you are unsure of the best way to dry the clothing. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Removing super glue. Things you'll need. 1. Stiff bristled brush, a blunt spoon, or a flat-bladed knife. 2. Balls of cotton wool. 3. Acetone nail polish. 4. Laundry detergent. 5. Clotheslines, clothes horse, or dryer. Number 1. Read the clothing care label to make sure that it's machine washable. Check the label to see if it indicates delicate fabric, or if it can be washed at home. Take the clothing to a dry cleaner if necessary. Number 2. Wait for the glue to dry and check if it can be easily scraped off. Let the super glue fully dry before trying to remove it, so that it doesn't spread. Then use a blunt object such as a spoon or a stiff bristled brush to gently scrape away at the glue. Don't scrape vigorously or harshly at the super glue, as it won't come away as easily as water-based glue. Just scrape it a few times gently, and don't worry if it doesn't fully come away. You will be able to tell that the super glue is dry when it looks and feels solid. Number 3. Spot test acetone nail polish remover on an inside seam. Turn the clothing inside out, and apply the nail polish remover to a ball of cotton wool. Dab a small patch on the inside seam lightly, and check if it discolors or damages the fabric. Make sure that the nail polish remover contains acetone, otherwise it won't work to remove the glue. If the fabric is stained or damaged by the nail polish remover, get the clothing dry cleaned instead. Number 4. Wet a ball of cotton wool with acetone and apply it to the stain. Use a ball of cotton wool to gently wipe the stain with the nail polish remover. Continue wiping at the stain until the acetone stops removing the glue. This process will take a little while as the acetone only removes one layer of super glue at a time. This is also an effective way to remove super glue from your skin. Number 5. Wash the clothing in warm water. Set the temperature to a warm setting around 30 degrees Celsius 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a good quality laundry detergent that is suitable for the fabric of the clothing. If any super glue remains on the clothing, put it through another cycle in the washing machine. Number 6. Dry the clothing once it's clean. When you have removed the clothing from the washing machine, either hang it up on a clothesline or a clothes horse to dry, or use a dryer. Check the care label again if you are unsure about what drying method is best for the clothing. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Glue that children use for art projects and at school is almost always water-based, as this is non-toxic and safe. 2. If you cannot remove the glue from the clothes, or if the care label indicates, get them professionally dry cleaned to avoid damaging the clothes. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.